Saphinde satheleka thina nentandokazi yohlelo ilungelo lakho. It's your right. Uhlelo lithinta yonke phela into ephathelene nawe namalungelo akho njengomthengi la eNingizimu Afrika. Buka lo hlelo noMajali uMangcolosi. Usijongo wakajali Alicia is my name. Ungangibiza futhi nangoNonhlanhla. Mbukeli yazi akuyona into nje phela ephazamisa umphefumulo kodwa into eshaya abantu kakhulu emaphaketheni. Sikhuluma phela ngendleko zokuhlukanisa umshado phecelezi i-divorce. Yes, today Mbukeli we actually unpack a topic that actually affects a lot of people, and this is, of course, the true cost of a divorce. Indeed, Mbukeli, divorce actually marks the end of a marriage or relationship, but it also often signals the start of a very complex journey that is filled with financial strain, emotional stress, as well as difficult life adjustments, from legal battles and asset division to maintenance obligations and even the impact on children. The consequences can be far-reaching. Yebo Mbukeli, abaningi phela basathuswe yilesi sinqumo senkundla ephakeme esikhiphe phela isahlulelo sokuthi umlisa obeqeda nje ukuthola divorce kumkakhe akaqhubeke phela nokondla izingane zaloyo ebekuwumkakhe kodwa lezo ingane zingazalwa huye umlisa sekumele ke manje akhokhe ezingaphezulu kwemiliyoni yamarandi izigidi. So kahle kahle, what is then the real cost of a divorce? Sanibonani babukeli. And to take this discussion further, Mbukeli asamukela ivakashi zethu namhlanje sina intokazi enhle kakhulu la e-studio siZola Mbatha. She's a fiduciary expert as well as founder of iLegacy Yezibaya, as well as Pastor X, a marriage therapist from Marriage Affairs. So Pastor X, siZola ngiyanibingelela ntokazi, it's such a pleasure to have both of you la e-studio. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sizoxoxisana kahle kahle namhlanje ukuthi sitholane ukuthi kade sisho ukuthi before singene emoyeni ukuthi sizana kanjani by the end of this bulletin. So siZola awusichazele yenzani fiduciary expert awubachazele nje abantu bathi fahla.
Ngiyajabula ukuba la nani namhlanje Pastor X yourself Sisi. Fiduciary expert is umuntu ospecializile kahle kahle. It's a fancy term for an attorney, a lawyer who deals with death laws, basically. Anything that's got to do with planning for death, preventing risk against your estate, musushonile, into ehlanganise nje namafa, ama-will, ama-trust. That's what the fiduciary expert does. Yeah, kahle kahle ngokwe office bearer, I'm an attorney.
Okay. Yeah. All right, siyabonga kakhulu because angifuna abantu ba-confuse ukuthi le advice usiZola asinikeza yona ichaza ukuthini. So Pastor X, I mean, ukhuluma kakhulu wena ngokuhlanganisa imishado nokugcina imishado siyakubona na ku social media. Ukhuthaza abantu ukuthi before befika ku divorce ababheke ba explore wonke ama options. But unfortunately sometimes even ukuthi ayikho enye indlela except ukuthi it has to end in divorce. Kusuke sekwenze njani lapho Pastor?
Mangcolosi, enkosi ngokuba nami and dibulise kubabukeli.
Sakamukela tata.
Yo, zininzi izinto ezenza ukuthi abantu bafikelele kwi decision ukuthi bohlukane. And what I normally say ukuthi it's not always into ezenzeka emchadweni. It's usually izinto ezenzeke before umchado that were never dealt with, and then abantu abaninzi bangena emchadweni behuqa amahlahla. Yeah, bangena benemithwalo, but because of the picture lena esifuna ukuyipainta yokuthi nami ndichatile, white dress, yeah, kukhona ezintsha becoming Mrs. Banban. Yes, echalini. So everyone wants to be seen with that.
Yes.
And we overlook izinto. Kukhona abanye abantu, they even come for a premarital counseling. And then xa ubaxelela ukuthi anikho ready. But sesinedeko sesinalena sicela nje ukuthi sichate sizobuya sizozilungisa.
So the objective kahle is to run towards the big day and not being fully prepared for what actually comes afterwards, which is the hardest part.
The big day is what abantu abaphushela yona kakhulu. And yes, the wedding.
Not the marriage.
Not the marriage. And bayalibala ukuthi abantu xa begqibile ukutya on that Saturday bahambe nisala nithuke indaba isala nani like bona akhona. And even what we are doing now, and abantu, they don't even think that far. Because those are some of the things. Yazi ndinokubuza abantu sometimes dethi ubona niphi in the next 10 years. Abantu bachatile kumnandi but abaziboni. Ngapha ku
There's
10
no
years.
long-term plans.
No marriage planning.
No marriage planning, nothing. Ubabuza ukuthi if between mina nawe kusweleka oyi1 iplan ithini.
Akho plan.
Yeah.
All right, so Sizola, because when you sebenza at the, I suppose at the harsher end, where reality has finally struck in and struck in, ukuthi sesiyadivorce la sesiyahlukana. Awusichazele kunama different types of divorces la in South Africa. There's 3 of them. Awusichazele ngiyazi uncontested and the contested one. What is the other one? Usichazele ukuthi how each one actually works.
So, indaba ye divorce is definitely the end, as you put it in that way. And because marriage is a legal contract, umshado nje into yomthetho.
It's a binding
And that's
contract.
ilento abantu njengoba ubhuti esho ilento abantu kufanele understand just from the start. Umshado kusiyona wedding.
Akona umjolo
It's a
also.
legal contract, it's binding, and it operates almost as similar as njenge business. So when it ends again now, you have to end it ngalendlela enivumelane ngayo ukuthi should this marriage ever end, sohlukana kanje. But if anifikanga kuleyo planning yokuthi angithi ungena kwi business contract ikhona iclause yokuthi when we terminate, if anifikanga lapho kumshado wenu, then divorce yenu izoba messy. So yes, we have the uncontested divorce. That's, well, hopefully there akekho phikisanayo in that way.
Wonke umuntu uhambela
we're
indlela
going-
yakhe.
yes,
And usually kuba njani
settling.
lapho ingane azikho lapho kuleyo situation Sizola, is it much
Maybe
easier?
ingane usually from a societal perspective sokhuluma ngayo.
Okay, or seyikhulile.
Vele either ikhulile or vele nje abazali they are good at parenting.
Okay.
They're just not good at being spouses.
Okay.
So they are okay. Kahle kahle futhi abazondani ngisho ukuzondana labantu. It's just that lento yomshado le ngazi ukuthi vele besijahe umshado lo besifaka kwi pressure to enter. Yabo, and so they are divorcing amicably. Ngokuvumelana. Literally through into document ekuthiwa settlement agreement.
Yes.
Then he contested ke lapho ke hayi la imbila ithutha khona. Thatha iminyaka. You know, and I want to mention the point about le case oyimentionile eqaleni sisimesingena ukuthi na iHigh Court yase Western Cape manje isithe kubaba stepfather, you will maintain these children 45,000 rand towards maintenance, 35,000 towards rent, 1 million rand for ama legal fees at divorce. Right? Now, ilento ukuthi sifike singaplananga la, besingekho prepared for this phase. Sesiyakhokha ke manje. There's many ways of ukhokha. You know, and then masekuba khona what is called a substituted divorce.
Yes.
This is where you don't know where your partner is. Akekho ke manje for you to serve on to them.
Ubalekile.
Akekho phela unyamalele vele
Akaziwa.
lo mshado kudala waphela. Sesimdivorce ngani ke nge-newspaper.
Okay.
So we are publishing an article now to say, hey, nangusisi usefuna ukumshiya ubaba umnyeni wakhe ukhona yini, do you want to object? Akhumbula mesingena kumshado
Sizola, bekungezona izinto ezenzeka kudala lezo komkhulu bethu ukuthi bebelahleka. Is it still happening in 2026?
No, it does happen. In some cases, ufumanisa ukuthi abantu, because like usitsho ukuthi this is a contract.
Yes.
So babaleka indaba le assets.
Yeah, my conditions.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what they will do is separate for some time. Like ufumanisa ukuthi abantu have been separated for
I've
12
heard.
years.
Omunye achade,
For-
but then
for
at the
12 years,
end, lo
yes.
mshado is now and void.
Yeah. So after 12 years, we've lost contact. And utole, let's say bengekho abantwana. So ayikho into esidibanisayo except for these assets. And then say move back to Cape Town. I'm gone.
Yeah.
So awusangitholi, then it goes that route ke ngoku.
Some instances it's intentional, umuntu kulindile, you know, ukuthi ushone vele. So that they can inherit.
Yeah.
And then get it's in your interest
Ukulinda
to
ukuthi
divorce.
ushone ukuphi ukubalekele
Engekho
akakudivorce
vele.
kodwa
Yeah,
akafuni
Yeah, and I-
divorce.
Like group.
Once you pass away, ni income to property ngithi kudala bekushadwa income to
Useyavela.
property half is already eyakhe plus awenzanga iwill if awuyenzile iwill, so nje uyobenefita lapho. So it's beneficial for you to look into the substituted divorce ispouse sakho mesabaleka. Don't
Nkosi yami.
relax.
Mbukele, I hope ukuthi niyazizwa zonke lezo zinto ngizovula ingcingo emva kwaleli khefu nisitshela ukuthi nina what are some of your issues or some of the challenges that you've actually come across uma senidilizwa umshado or nenza lento ekuthiwa i-divorce. We're back shortly after this ingayindawo. siphinde sikwamukele futhi mbukeli seyivuliwe ke manje ingcingo njengoba ade ngishilo ngaphambi kwekhefu ukuthi phela nawe ubambe iqhaza ungashayela ucingo ku 0117140672 alternatively usithinte lapha on our WhatsApp number 0608449857 noma ungasithumela i-email ku consumer@sabc.co.za alternatively interact with us on our social media platforms. Namhlanje ngihleli noSizola Mbatha, a fiduciary expert as well as the founder of Legacy Yezibaya alongside uPastor X. Ndiyamazi lapho udume kakhulu ko social media esifundisa kakhulu ngokuthi emshadweni kumele siyiphathe kanjani futhi yini eyenziwayo ukuthi yakhe umshado ofudumele. All right, we're going to quickly go to the lines before siqhubeka nodaba lethu lama divorce mbukeli. Let's take uPrecious on the line. Sis Precious, sokwamukela ntokazi ohlelweni singakusiza kanjani namhlanje? Precious.
Hello.
Hi sisi kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila sisi wami. Ngicela wehlise umabona kude wakho lapho noma wehlise nje volume bese uyasibuza umbuzo sithanda sami noma ubeka umbono.
Yazi mina ngicela ngifuna ukuthi at least now uyazi ngalento le. Uthi kahle kahle ilungelo lakho nisika abantu or just abantu baphume eTV. Ngoba mina kuvela ngile kulento le lapho ngasenda ama message ngine ma problem namanje angikaphola usizo.
Angikuzwa sis Precious, ngicela uphinde sithanda sami.
Sisi yazi ngiyabona ukuthi that's why ngibuza lana la abantu basinikeza ama phone number from elungelo lakho kahle kahle elungelo lakho nasisiza.
All right, it seems like we've lost Sis Precious there. Sis Precious, we're going to try and get hold of you. We are able to actually call you if you have been, of course, been in touch with us la studio because we're trying to understand ukuthi udaba lakho yini. But namhlanje mbukeli, if you've just joined us, sikhuluma nge-divorce nama implications from financial. It's not just financial. Okuningi okwenzakala ingane ziya-affecteka, both spouses emotionally, ama-family lapho asuke esehlukaniswa and kuba nzima kakhulu ke uma kuyindlu emnyama because kunezinto futhi ezidila nama ancestry neline yokuthi abantu abadala kumele bathini. So Sizola, let's talk about what is the importance then. In fact, Pastor X, I want to ask from you then, what is the importance of marriage therapy in today's relationships? Sibaluleke kanjani leyo nto ukuthi i-therapy ne-counseling even pre-marital njengoba ubukade uhlale uyigqugquzela baba ukuthi abantu bayazi, how does it benefit them in the long run?
Yazi masiqale nge-premarital. I-premarital kufana nokuthenga indlu. Awunovele nje uvumbuke ekseni uzolule and then ukhombe nje indlu.
You need to do research.
Yeah. So you have to do research.
Yes.
You have to check ukuthi can I even afford? And xa kusithiwa uyayi-afforda indlu ibhatala 20 years now sekhona isilingo esitsha ibhatala 30 years like I'm like yay this thing is entanglement.
Yes.
So you don't think just now ukuthi I afford 10,000 now because that 10,000 probably in 15 years is going to be something else. Yep. So it's the same thing nomtshato ukuthi am I ready? Do I even understand ukuthi intoni le endiyenzayo? And xa ndisithi ndiyatshata mna am I able to take care of myself? Yazi ukho abantu abachatayo ehlulwa nguye. Amba yozenzela umthwalo yokulanda omnye umuntu umntana omnyama.
Wesabesithembu Pastor X.
Hayi. Khona indoda esiyazi iyakhala.
Siyayazi
iyakhala. So now what happens is if ujonga kudala umtshato it was within a community.
Yes.
So ibiphathwa i-community.
Yes.
And these days with technology, but at the same time with immigration, abantu are moving. Ufumanisa ukuthi qala if ndingumXhosa bendichata umnye umXhosa.
Yes.
Umzekelo once wafika ezilalini uhamba nomSuthu ukuthi uyisaphi lento ekhiribikitsayo apha. You understand? But now it's so mixed up.
It's intermixed, yeah.
And ufumanisa ukuthi the in-laws ziseLimpopo ezinye zise Cape Town thina silapha eJoburg.
Yeah.
And we don't have any support esinayo. So marital counseling then it becomes important because kulapho uthi uncedakale khona and ufumane a different perspective. Now just because I'm a marriage therapist it doesn't mean ukuthi I know everything about marriages. Okay. I know there are certain principles So we teach mainly principles. Enye nenye funeka nina nizenzele. So when you come for marital counseling, we don't solve problems.
Okay.
We give you tools zokuthi nihambe no solve problems. Abantu bafuna ukuza i-problem isolveke ngoku. And then nichate for 12 years. So nine problems that have been accumulated over 12 years. Nifuna uzisota nge-1 hour. One session. Ayenzeki lonto leyo. So what we do is we give you tools to say you could have blundered up and alapha and alapha. Therefore, if ningazama le or sithi niyenza kanjani ukuthi nizofikelela apha. No senze so. Okay. Since ingasebenzi masizameni le.
Okay.
So it becomes important like that because I become now the third eye.
Okay.
Nina ni emotionally andithi niqumbelene nixabene so aniboni izinto ngelihlo eli open minded. Objectively.
Yes.
So then i-job ye-therapist is just to say nike nayizama le nayizama nale nayizama nale.
100.
All right, let me go back to the lines and take uSivi ePretoria. Sivi, a very good afternoon to you. Singakusiza kanjani namhlanje la kwilungelo lakho?
Yebo kunjani Sipho?
Ngiyaphila nsizwe njani wena?
Ngiyaphila. Ngifacela ukubuza because ngakhipha ilobola.
Yebo.
So lo muntu lo uthi singasaqhubeka uthi yena manje sekayangixhala. Manje kuyakhonakala futhi kunencwadi yelobola. Kuyakhonakala ukuthi ngiye home affairs and then you cancel ukuthi umshado lo angeke usaregisterile.
Okay. All right. So Sivi, walikhipha lonke ilobola ekhaya waya bakwazi kwenziwa zonke izinto zesintu lapha?
Uhlaba akahlabiswa kumele ngithoda lethi ngokuthi ngihlazi.
Okay. Oh, so kusakhishwe incwadi kodwa abazali bakhe bayifumana bayitholile.
Nebekhaya baya lapha bakhipha.
Okay. All right. Siyakuzwa nsizwe yami. Siyabonga kakhulu but Sivi, sicela ulalele lapha kumabona kude. Sizola, I think idinga wena le.
Well, I think I would have asked him ukuthi did they go register that marriage or home affairs because ngimuzwa ethi ngingaya yini home affairs ngiyokhansela ilobola. So we want to understand ukuthi okay kushuthi bahambile bayo register yini if I could have asked him that.
Sizokunikeza inamba yakhe so that you can clarify that naye but
No stress.
if ungamtsheli advice nje based off what we are
generally without that answer. Ngaphandle kwaleyo mpendulo ngathi firstly in terms of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act, sesiyazi eSouth Africa ukuthi umusuhambisi there are 3 requirements for umshado wesintu. It is the fact that you're over the legal age 18 and above.
Yes.
You have consented uvumile ukuthi nivumile nobabili ukuthi nizongena kulomshado wesintu. And then inkantolo ibona kanjani ukuthi nivumile ngokuthi nahambisa incwadi abakamkhwenyana and then abakosisi bayamukela incwadi baze bababiza ngalelo langa balikhethile. So therefore bavumile ukuthi hayi sayenza lento yokulobolana sayenza umshado wesintu. Then mebefika that day and the third requirement is negotiation and celebration. Senikhulumisanile nakhulumisana nasho ukuthi okay umfana kehle esihlahleni akaye phansi isango alivulwe and then sayongena esithingi sabeka inkomo yokuqala yesibili yesithathu ukutshengisa amandla apho siyalobolana manje lapho. When you get out, and the precedent for this interpretation is the double HP case, Tumbo case. Ubaba, father-in-law wayisa udaughter-in-law ukuthi no azange simfake inyonga akakocaci kwa inkantolo yathi no the intention bekukushada. Sekashonile manje bashadile.
And there's a very famous marriage and divorce now that has just been taken
so
through
we
the very same process as well.
Yes, we understand ukuthi okay umshado wesintu right now until there's a different judgment ilona lelobola whether uqedile noma uqedile.
Okay.
Right? Okay, now that we know bashadile, if abenzangi anti-nuptial contract bashade in comittal property.
Okay. Just hold it there. Just hold it there Sizola because ngifuna uqhubeke lapho sesiqala khona kuma in community and out of community of property because ila iqala khona inkingi inkathazo ngibongela. We're back shortly after this ungayindawo. Mugeli welcome back. You're watching Ilungelo Lakho live la kumamba phambili SABC1 eMzansi for sure. Ngihleli nevakashi zami la usisi Zola Mbatha, a fiduciary expert as well as a founder of Legacy Yezibaya, as well as uPastor X ngiyamazi lapha ku social media. Ugcwele yonke indawo giving you advice of how to maintain umshado and also the meaning yomshado ukuthi ithini. He's a marriage therapist from Marriage Affairs. Ungashayela ke ucingo la studio 061 in fact 011 714 0672. Alternatively ungasithinta lapha on our WhatsApp number 060-844-9857 noma usithumele i-email ku consumer@sabc.co.za. So sizola besikhuluma lana umbuzo kaButsivi ukhiphile ilobolo uthi ke sekuhamba kanjani ke manje if kuukuthi kumele aye home affairs. But how I got it bengicabanga ukuthi mina uthi wagcina ekhiphile, does he now have to go to home affairs by virtue of having ukuthi ukhiphile ilobolo na? But you explained ukuthi ilokhuzana i-requirement for lawo malobolo ukuthi ungene kanjani kubalekile for lowo mshado wesintu ukuthi urecognize. Okay, so let's say in an instance whereby ulikhiphile incwadi bayithatha incwadi and then akuzange kube neyivumelano nalezi ezinye igaba oyishilo ukuthi kwa celebratewa kwaba neproof nezithombe ukuthi kade kushadwa kujatshulwa kwaba nesivumelwano kwaba namavula mlomo. What is the process there?
No, I mean, you literally, you have to meet all three requirements.
Okay.
For marriage, there's no shortcutting.
So,
just like once we reach all three requirements, you've reached them.
Okay.
You can't unreach them.
So technically, he's not necessarily married.
No,
at
he
this
is.
stage.
He said ulobolile ukuthi sebeyahlukana manje. Uthe ubhuti ngikhiphile ilobolo bafikile umndeni wami. Yes, it's just that azange senze umgcaco nenyongo. Now we were explaining ukuthi according to the Tumbo case, double HP case, bashadile. So yena he is married, and on top of that, if abenzange anti-nuptial contract, they are married in commutual property. He is now saying my woman now ufuna sihlukane. So njengoba sefuna sihlukane, must I go to home affairs ngiyokhansela lo mshado wesintu na? Is what he was asking.
So
kumele
enzeni? Kumele vele ahamba e-home affairs.
100%. A customary marriage is the only marriage la uyolanda khona certificate uma usuphelile umshado. Ulanda uma ufuna ukudivorce if awuregister. Ngithi i-customary marriage, these three requirements, none of them say you must go to home affairs and register.
Yes,
so your customary marriage is recognized. Yes, and that's why there's so many invalid civil marriages, because ayiki home affairs database ballot the customary marriages where they can say no, awukwazi ungena kule civil marriage kukhona customary marriage la. So many people are married customarily without registering, but that's why the new Marriage Act will change that. But to answer ubhuti, to end the mshado wona fanele aye home affairs ayothola certificate khona ezoya divorce court to divorce. You can't divorce a marriage without proof of marriage, and the only proof of marriage acceptable is a marriage certificate. Whether it says civil marriage or married by customary marriage, but you must go get a certificate.
But siyabonga Nsizwa, I hope ukuthi uyasizakala lapho. I want to come back to you, Pastor X. I mean, maybe when we talk about the cost of divorce, abantu bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe sikhuluma ngemali kuphela past. What cost should we be paying attention to besides le yokuthi uzoshona ephaketheni?
Abantu baphela bentringa phakathi.
Your mental stability is one of the costs.
Uyasaba nokisho uPastor.
No.
Hayi asihleki inkinga.
Abonsuka khona eCape Town bathi uyaraka. But in all seriousness is ukuthi there's a very heavy emotional cost to umshado. Remember, Uguti, this is someone, I don't think, I'm not saying Uguti Abeko, but I don't think there is anyone in their right minds also shad with an intention of divorce. So because of that, it's going to cost you emotionally. It's a cost, whether abantwana bakhona abeko, it's a cost emotionally, and also because now, Nanosis Zola, we're going to spend our lives together. We create a certain circle.
Lifestyle.
Siluza abantu. But also a lifestyle say luza na because now ukhola yena 10,000 in kholi 10,000. So it's not 20,000. Maslugana, it means now I need to go back and pillar a lifestyle 10,000. So But also it means there are people, for instance, if you are a Christian, you go to church.
Yeah.
Mani divorce, oh, one when he has to duck.
Yeah. I'm going to the same church.
And the question is, ngubani ohambayo,
Social cost.
understand?
Yeah.
So it's got a social cost as well. And so there's so much more than imali.
Yeah.
We tend to focus on the financial cost to
Yeah.
it, but it's a lonely space. I must say it's a lonely space because
Okay.
it means ukuthi, the reality is, let's say you've been married for 12 years. Technically, you are wiping off
10 years of your life.
12 years of your life.
Oh, Pastor.
And now, imagine you got married at 25, so 12 years into that, that's 42. Now you're starting a life year 25-year-old at 42.
Pastor, please keep it there. Because now you're breaking it down a bit too harshly. I want to go back to the lines. Ngithathe uVuyiswa eBrakpan. Vuyiswa, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlale lapho olayinini. Siyakwamukela ohlelweni, singakusiza kanjani namhlanje?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. May you please just confirm to this, because there's a notion that suggests that the rate of divorce has increased significantly since the women have started to earn higher than their counterparts, like in this case, their husbands. And this has been spread in the media, in the public. And every time there's a divorce, we associate that. How true is that? Can we have an answer on that one?
Thank you so much for that. And I think I want to start with you, Sizola Lapho, because I mean, that's a very important point, issue, Sizola, because it has been said and been put out there, yonke indawo ukuthi, as women, as the younger generation, we're actually staying off marriage later because sifuna ukuthi sikhulise ama careers wethu. So, uyabuza ukuthi, is this the reason why there's many divorces? Because I was looking at Ilokuzana, my research here, it actually says ukuthi, there's been 22,230 finalized divorces in 2023, which was a 10.1 increase from the previous year. 10.1 increase. Sizola.
Sure. You know, the rates, it's a good question. I'm really happy about it, because if what we were spoken about earlier, Uguti, there's a certain period in the year, at the beginning of the year, where it's called Divorce Week, because it's where the law firms are opening. And why are the divorce, they being instituted so much in January, for example? And it boils down to quite a few factors, but I'll just highlight 3. The first is societal ills. Yabona siphathana kabi.
True.
Hey, siyahlukumezana, man.
Hey,
siyahlukumezana, zwani.
Yeah.
And I've been saying this over and over, like I'm preaching. Ukuthi, this is a systematic division of
Absolutely.
us. Even if it was just a few of us or 100,000 of people, then it would be like, okay, coincidental. But the way it's so holistic, we have to look at the system.
And we've actually normalized it.
From?
Yes. Abantu bayadivorce after 3 years, after 5 years.
100%. 100%. That's the first. The second, there is if financial GBV is a thing. Financial GBV is a thing. And in most instances, and I'm not blaming any particular sex, gender, I'm just saying in most instances, in the man's hand, when the money is sitting and the woman is the one who's playing the primal role of taking care, barefooted and pregnant in the kitchen. The balance. It does it. And then they come from a social media perspective, oh, the women of today are not like our grandmothers, but your grandmothers were not working. You can't borrow from the behaviors of your grandfathers to behave in today with women who are executives. And then that's the financial GBV element. And it's like, oh, we've lost the financial control. And it's breeding anger. And then I put up a post once that said...
Please hold on and just keep that thought for your post, because I want to quickly take another ad break. Bangangishayi ngale. Endlini enkulu aba-director khona. Mbukeli, we're back shortly after this. Don't go anywhere. Mbogeli, welcome back. Of course, usabheke uhlelo olukhuluma ngokuthi i-cost ye-divorce Mbogeli iyini. Asikhulumi nge-financial cost kuphela. Sisho izinto eziningi. Mese kumele kuhlukaniswa amafa, izingane ku-decide ukuthi ziya kuphi. Lezo zinto zidala umsindo omkhulu, especially uma nina nithema nishada anizange nihlale phansi nihlalisane phansi nibonisane nomuntu wakho ukuthi sihlanganele ini kanjani nokuthi futhi uma ngabe kuyenzeka that uneventful event yokuthi siyahlukana sizimisela ukuthi siqhubeka kanjani nalokho. My guest today uSizola Mbatha, fiduciary expert and founder of Legacy Yezibaya, alongside Pastor X, who's a marriage therapist from Marriage Affairs. So Sizola, before siye Kevin ngicela nje uthi qabaqaba ngale ya post yakho owawuyifakile.
Yeah, to answer umbuzo kaSisi ukuthi hayibo iyona inle independence esikhoza lama divorce. Then I put this post and I said, how do you feel about the fact that currently in South Africa the #1 property buyers are women?
Oh yeah.
And I can tell you the anger reflected by men in those posts is a true societal. It's iyakutshengisa nje ukuthi education ayikawafiki and I'll throw religion and spirituality in here. Kukhona, which I learned recently while sitting at a table with pastors. Kukhona understanding where you know as a man and a woman ukuthi as long as you are married, the grace of God, your wealth is sitting upon your union. It doesn't matter who the grace is upon. It's benefiting your union. Our brothers seem to be struggling with that concept because as long as the grace has moved to the woman, they're not okay. And if you look at even government policy, women empowerment, take a girl child to work. So we are in the process of women being highly empowered. And it's a good thing because so many women are single mothers. Maybe we need to look at why we're making women single mothers so that we can correct why they're being empowered so much. Until then, women will continue to buy houses because they need to raise these children that you have abandoned. Yes.
Women
then
maybe
be angry about that.
Owners,
be angry about the number of your sisters that are sitting with children while the men are gone. Instead of being angry about them being empowered to take care of your nephews.
Don't be angry. Pastor, on that point, I think that's a very important one, right? So what are the telltale signs then that a marriage is broken beyond repair and divorce could be justified? I think because when you work in a space whereby you try and exhaust all avenues before kufika kulesi sinqumo lesi, which is final.
I think to be honest, if we were to go on what you just said now and saying umshado is a covenant, before umshado it's a legality. If we were to look at that, then we would say there are no grounds for divorce.
Oh, absolutely.
But because then...
As it was intended,
Yes,
Pastor.
it was intended.
Yes.
But because we don't operate at that level, we operate on the level of do I look at you
ukuthi unamalini meshona ngizoba namalini uzomnika yiphi lifestyle.
Exactly. And how do you look?
Uyihang.
You know, can I go to a certain event now and all that?
8+1.
Yes, +1. So there are no grounds, but because there are now all these other things, there are a few things, I just want to mention 3, that would get to a point of now saying city, One, if there's domestic violence. Like there's physical assault and everything. Just the physical. Emotional,
can still be.
It's subjective. It's subjective. For instance, ngathi kuwe man stititi. Kanti kuwe unenhliziyo encinci omnye ndithi stititi athi stititi vele nandi stititi yabona stititi sonke la endlini.
Subjective,
So the minute there's a physical, the minute there's physical violence, but because money drives marriage, whether we like it or not, we don't eat love. We don't sleep in love. We sleep in a house. We don't drive love.
Yep.
The minute there is ubumenemene emalini. No, in a sense yokuthi.
And I'm glad it comes from Upastor. This one.
Financial GBV,
Because the minute one in Mali, whoever on Mali, if it's not our money, ufila ukuthi une power, we are control. So it becomes a bit of a problem.
100.
Third one.
And then the third one, the minute you start now, ukuthi wenza imikhuba. Ekwenza ukuthi ukuthi lo mshado lona ungabikho conducive.
Yes, ube abuse.
Yabona ukuthi kungabikho mnandi in a sense yokuthi, for instance, anilali endlini at all. Le ukuthi abantu bayasela bayaphini,
Yeah, that's okay.
it's one
Yeah.
thing that can be sorted, but le ukuthi uhambe vele awudivorcanga uhambe uyoqala i-small house khona abantu abarentayo
Uyifake
arente
isithembu, yeah.
afake isithembu unofficially
Yeah.
then apho makusekunjalo uthi no,
Pastor.
that's not what we
Broken.
agreed on.
Pastor, let me go back to the lines. Ndithatha uNonzaliseko eMthatha. Nonzaliseko, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Singakunceda njani today? Nonza? All right, it seems like we've lost uNonzaliseko laphayana, but Pastor, maybe just while you were explaining that, when is the right time then for a couple to seek therapy, and what does that process typically involve? Iqala kuphi? When should one say, yazini, ngathi thina iyasihlula lento ukuthi si-resolve sobabili, akasambe siyobona uPastor X?
Yazi siswami ne, the minute ndiqala ndikujonga kungabikho enye member yam
No butterflies.
respondayo
Yeah.
apha kum,
Then we need help.
you should know nje ukuthi don't
Ndizawuyazi
wait.
njani mna loo nto,
No,
Pastor?
As a woman.
No, ndithi mna like
Yeah, as a man.
as a man now
Oh,
as a
xa
woman.
usubona uba akusathi
Yes.
thithi next.
The minute ndithi ndikujonga mhlawumbi noba uphuma eshaweni kungabikho that thing so qala ngathi ungusister wami
Yo.
Roommate.
roommate. So I need to say ukuthi mamela masithanda sami for the last 3 days akukho
Vavavum.
lamlilo. Yeah.
Ewe.
Are you aware? Because sometimes uthola ukuthi
Yeah.
awukho aware
Yeah.
and it's just innocent sometimes.
Okay.
And
So
ufuna-
communication is important.
Extremely.
Absolutely.
Very. I always say ukuthi even if singaxabana kangakanani,
Yeah.
we never close the door of communication. Like that is one door that we always keep open. Mamela, even if you're in it's fine, but as long as the minute you shut down,
Everything closes.
everything closes.
So Zola, maybe let's go into the nitty-gritties, right? Athi ke umuntu imarriage yakhe iyaqhakuka, sesidecidile ukuseparate for a while.
Yeah.
Do I need to involve my lawyer?
Yeah.
And if I can't afford one,
Yeah.
what happens in that situation?
Well, look, I think that's two parts. Yeah, let's start with the affordability. In the events la sendicidile khona seniyile for assistance from Pastor X, and you now understand ukuthi okay, our marriage has suffered an irretrievable breakdown. That's the legal term for condition yokuhlukanisa umshado. Akusekho reasonable ukuthi kuzokhandeka la.
Yebo.
Lema reason now 3 upastor qeda kwachaza manje. Then you understand ukuthi okay, siya divorce, but asinayo imali because divorce iyabiza. It's in the regional court fanele ukhokhela umeli. If your divorce goes to the high court fanele ukhokhela advocate. Then of course you stuck with the divorce because of cost. However, khona amanye options of course, legal aid.
Ukuthi khona abahleli sizola abanqena leyo nto ukuthi they can't financially
cost.
afford
Yes,
to
to
be out
divorce.
of that marriage.
Look, you can go to Legal Aid. Legal Aid South Africa assists with divorces for free.
Okay.
It's just that they do a means test. If you
okay.
don't qualify, then you earn too much and
All
get
right.
bakwenze.
All
Then
right.
you can go to legal clinics as well in the universities. They'll help you with the divorce for free as well.
And then if unenhlanhla khona uzoyithatha pro bono. Let me quickly go to uNomalizo eSoweto before siye khefini. Sis Nomalizo eSoweto Ntokazi uthi qaba nje njengamafu sekwamukela ehlelweni singakusiza kanjani namhlanje?
Mina ngikhulumela umntana esekhaya wakhipha ilobole and then bahlangana nalo sisi loyo. Mara manje angazi ngoba usebenza ka-government phela ukuthi amusharele i-pension fund yakhe because usupport abantwana wona akavumi abona abantwana.
Oh, okay. So benze umekhokhwa ilobole uhambe kanjani usisi uhlukane kanjani i-relationships sis Nomalizo?
Usisi lo wahamba usho kumele seyisilithi kakhulu wathatha wangatshela indoda ukuthi uyathwasa. And then
Okay.
indoda wathana ukuthi uyathwasa wamtshela ukuthi angizwenza into yokuthwaswa mina ongangitshelanga.
Okay,
And
so
then
baqabana lapho.
baqabana lapho and then wathatha abantwana wahamba nabantwana and then ubhuti usupport abantwana bafunda ikole ezidurayo uyenzela bonke abantwana everything but akavuma bona abantwana so I
Okay.
felt ukuthi in future izom-affecta ukuthi mhlawumbe ngoba osebenza ka-government khona ukuthi bashare imali or benze kanjani ukuthi bahlukane
Okay.
but incwadi sakhipha ilobola
Okay,
but
so
ayikathi ayiphelelanga ilobola
okay, but baye home affairs ukuyobhala sis Nomalizo.
azihamba ye-home affairs
Oh, so kwakhishwa nje ilobole kuphela.
Bengisasuma
Ningakaqedwa. Okay, sis.
ngiyaqedwa.
All right, sis. Ngicela ulalele lapho ngwabona ukuthi sokuphendula emva kwaleli khefu yazo Ntokazi. Thank you so much for those calls. Mbukeli, we're going to take another quick ad break, and I understand lokugcina isikhathi ke sinjalo whenever we're having fun. We'll be back shortly after this. Ayimbukeli sesiyavalelisa sisele nje ngesikhathi esincane ngisasele noSizola Mbatha, fiduciary expert and founder of Legacy Yezibaya, Pastor X, a marriage counselor or therapist from Marriage Affairs. Asiphendule very quickly umbuzo kaSisinomalizo lapha eSoweto.
Yeah, they definitely bashade income property. Doesn't matter ukuthi abarejistile, fanele baye eHome Affairs bayolanda certificate. Nokuthi aqedwanga, doesn't matter. Sesikhulumile phela ama requirements awu 3. Bashadile income property. Fanele baye eHome Affairs bathole certificate, bayo divorce, and when they divorce izohlukaniswa vele le pension half. And then ubhuti njengoba ekhokha maintenance ekhokhela ama private schools siyakubonga lokho, it's a good thing. But now fanele athola ama rights okubona umntanakhe. Sekufanele aye yena family court ayocela enforcement of his parental rights ukuthi ubaba naye fanele abone ingane ngama weekend half exactly njengomama ukulingana.
Pastor, ake sizoye closing remarks. I mean, iyiphi message ofuna ama viewers wethu ayithathe away about the true cost of divorce? Ne topic nje ade sikhuluma nayo mayelana nemshado nobudlelwane namhlanje.
I think in closing zothi abantu mabangancami. Like there's no pressure. There's no biological clock at 10. Like, honestly, God has given us 70 years at least minimum. You know, if you get the bonus. So, because iyaxaka lento, and it's complicated now. It's no longer as easy as it was before.
Okay.
So, and also abantu, lastly, let them have mentors.
Okay.
Mentor, because abantu i-problem i-one ukuthi baza sekumoshakele by the time besiza awazi nokuthi uqale phi nawe. But if you have a mentor that you talk to from time to time, it must be somebody old enough to be able to speak into you, and somebody
respectayo, obviously, especially if you didn't have a role model yabazali abashadile, didn't come up
somebody
in
very
that
neutral,
institution
somebody very neutral and respectayo, both of you, who can be able to call you and say ukuthi but Zola and saniboni nisenza so.
All right. So Zola, I want to ask about this. I mean, we mentioned this. Sorry, Pastor. I want to quickly get through this because this is a sticking point. There are post-nuptials manje, Zola, and people don't seem to understand ukuthi ungashada nomuntu in community of property, but then uhamba uthole court order, senishadile, ucela i-post-nup. Isebenza kanjani? Isebenza kanjani?
It's just a high court application.
Okay.
Yeah, you just pay the legal cost, uzofaka advocate if they do, and you change your marital regime from income to property to out of community property.
What if the one party is disputing and that's the party that does not have assets?
No, you have to agree. You have to agree to it.
And
so do your creditors.
Yeah.
Pastor.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's important if even for instance lo mama lo befonile where you have abantu abayi-2, if it's amicable, the whole thing a pension you can settle.
Okay.
Where we're saying you know what, keep your pension.
It's uncontested.
Yes. Like keep your pension. I don't want anything from you, and so it's normally people who are bitter.
Yeah.
Okay. So Zola, maybe in closing, I mean, imaphi ama-court divorce wakhona, like family court, divorce court, high court, umuntu uyaphi mefuna
it's the regional court, but the lawyer who's assisting you will decide based on jurisdiction nihlalaphi ukuthi kuyiwe kuyiphi inkantolo.
All right. And then a very important one before we go. Megu ukuthi sekukhona oshonayo before umshado uphela. Ipreparelwa kanjani leyo nto? Maybe from both of you very quickly while you still have time.
Well, look, it's actually what I wanted to say as my closing really. Ukuthi ayikho into ebaluleke ukudlula estate planning. And it is when you do estate planning that you decide ngizokwenzani estate yami, okay, ngizoshada, ngizoba nezingane, ngizo-adopta, ngizongena kuma-business. You do estate planning and it spans out to your whole life. What is your life going to look like? What are your assets? What are they looking like? And if you're already in a relationship, what I do in my estate planning environment is I send my couples ngizobenzela estate planning to umuntu ofana no Pastor X ukuthi ayokhanda umshado wabo because angifuni ukwakha ama-tools i-willy i-family trust engathi siyazwana only for them ukuthi ba-divorce bayihlukanise yonke lento esiyakhile. So estate planning is very important, premarital planning is very important, pre-divorce planning is very important, and pre-death planning. Before nje yenzeka yonke into, you must plan for it. And you must see a professional such as myself as a fiduciary specialist, and then we move on to a professional, Dr. X, who will help you with the mental part of it. And you must also see a spiritual leader who will help you with the spiritual of your decision, spirituality of your decision. Planning is very important.
I want us to address this thing, Pastor. I mean, I'm sure you've witnessed it. The way a family structure is torn during a divorce, especially when there are children. Iy'ngane sekumele ikhethe ukuthi ihamba nomama or ubaba. How does that affect abantwana long term? And Sizola, how does a couple avoid and mitigate ukuthi iy'ngane zingasulelwa ilokhuzana ukuxabana kwabo? Asiqale ngawa Pastor.
Yes, Mama. Today, some of the divorces we see, Gamma products, 8 divorces themselves.
Oh, absolutely.
As
History repeating itself.
As children. Because abanye, they get into it, isn't Tomazi sticky.
Uyabaleka.
You know what? Umama waba, what divorce, right? Nam, I will be okay.
100%.
And now, kukona abantwana aba, we don't look at the resentment abantwana ababanayo.
Yeah.
In most cases, kids will tend to side with umama unless kukhona izinto abazibonileyo umama zenza. Yeah. They tend to side with umama emotionally. Then kuba khona this resentment on the father. And nabo abo baba, yo bafethu, do us a favor.
Yeah.
Be available for your kids. Just because ngihlukana nawe doesn't mean ukuthi now I have to take it out on ebantwaneni.
Because that's the most common thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
even women use it as well. Singabalokuze
Yeah.
bayisebenzisa ingane ukuthi balokhuze babuyisele kuma ex-partners wabo. Well, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately sesiphelelwe isikhathi but ngiyabonga kakhulu. What a great discussion. Angazi no 3 minutes or extra qhamuke lapha ekugcineni. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi indaba ibimnandi kakhulu. Thank you so much for joining us and for invaluable knowledge yethu enisinikeza yona namhlanje. Usizola Mbatha is a fiduciary expert and founder of Legacy Yezibaya. Pastor X is a marriage therapist from Marriage Affairs. Nimcheck lapha ku social media uhlale nikeze advice. Siyabonga ke kunina babukele ekhaya. Thank you so much. It's been great. It's been wonderful. Listen, uyabuya next week with another live consumer affairs discussion. Mina uMangcolosi uNhlanhla kaJali ave nginithanda. Take care.